Welcome to part 3 of this lightweight overland series one-day build cab over. Keep in mind that these DIY kits are available in all these 25 makes and models in a slide-in camper. In part 2, we had just put up the front and rear walls and had noted that less than 2 hours had elapsed since we started the build. This time in part 3, Bill says,
Side walls!
It's simple, right? This would be a perfect time to discuss having a simple 2x4 support along the bottom of this overhang. At first we did not think it was necessary, but as we placed the wall on, it pushed other extrusions that were not quite set out of place. So here you can see us fussing around with it until eventually we supported the edge with a roll-around floor jack. It would have made this step go a lot easier, as it turned out we had to support it on both sides anyway.
You can see Dave and I've got a floor jack there with a little piece of wood. We shimmed it to the right height just so nothing sags. It's in position. We used a couple clamps to kind of hold the extrusion into place. We're going to put the other sidewall in. We're going to put another ratchet strap around the outside to seize the outside of it. And then we'll actually have a box that is pinched together. And we'll be in good shape.
Is there a trick with these? Yeah, I'd say so. Just do one at a time. Bill says the bottom two should be easy. Let's see.
Not bad, Dave. Not bad.
Tighten them up after you know it's square.
Cool, break time.
What time is it? Oh, it is 11, just short of 11:15.
Cough in your face.
That's okay. See, it's a battle wound right there. Where is it?
Right.
Okay.
Here. Here.
Yeah.
Hey, a little food for thought. I already cut the door holes and the window holes in my box because I was waiting on Dave for us to do the build. So I went ahead and cut this on the side. Really easy to do in the flat. Trace out the turn windows. Super straightforward. We will maybe down the road offer door and window holes. Current state, we're not the first get-go because let's be honest, no one has the same preference where they want stuff. But I ended up putting the small turn window here. And I'm going to actually have a space so where I can put a shelf so I can turn this length into a full queen bed and I can sleep north-south. So we're going to be changing this up a little bit. And second pro tip.
Pro tip.
If you were to build a 2x4 or a plywood box at the right height, you got the dimensions on your print, you could set this in place. You saw Dave and I fighting the straps back and forth and kind of getting this in position. If you had a box, set it the right height, man, that make your life a lot easier to do just a little bit of work and then save you a lot of time. That way, when everything's rested, you're squaring everything out, everything can lay out together. And a little trick I'm gonna do on the Jeep Gladiator build. When you have the box on the truck, you have to secure it and you have to hold down. On the inside of the truck bed, there is an actual securement tie down bracket in the corner. To be able to access this in the front of the box, I put in some boat access ports that I can just screw down and glue down, and I'll be able to unscrew this pretty easily here and access the inside of the box. Show you more here in a minute. Just kind of goes through the build. This is our first one we're doing, and so lessons learned. We just talked about the box, little pro tip, but Dave suggested in sequence doing the roof first before the cab over floor, which we're about to do. So we could walk in here and hold it and set it in place really easily and be able to work around here and work this direction around. Make sure to dry fit.
Dry fit everything. Ensure a proper fit.
March is looking good. We're coming up on our nominal. Okay, all flight controllers, gonna go for landing. Retro, go, I know, go, right, go, control, go, go, GMC, go.